What if you could create a custom AI avatar that looks so real that people didn't even know it wasn't you? Well, you can. What you just saw was a digital clone of myself that looks and sounds exactly like me, and I created it using just one tool and a single image of myself. The fact is that there's lots of different AI tools and workflows out there, but when it comes to AI avatars and cloning yourself, realism is the most important part. And if I put myself side by side with my AI avatar and lip sync the audio, can you really notice the difference? I can change the clothes that I wear or put myself into any location without doing any extra filming, and I can even make my avatar perform any action or speak over 140 different languages in my own voice. So you can simply type out whatever you want to say on your keyboard and create a video without going through the painful process of recording. So now every single take is going to be perfect. Now the tool I'm going to use to do this is called Synthesia, and there's a very good reason why. It's actually already used by the majority of Fortune 100 companies to clone their CEOs and spokespeople, and you can choose from hundreds of different AI generated avatars as well.
It's true. I'm also an AI avatar from Synthesia, so I can present videos for you.
To make a clone of yourself in Synthesia, just follow the link at the top of the description, and once you're in the dashboard, you can open up the avatars menu and you'll see the ability to create an avatar at the top and create your personal avatar. And here you have two different options. You have Express 2, where you just need to upload an image of yourself to get started, or you have the legacy avatar where you can upload a few minutes of recorded footage. Today I'm going to use Express 2, which is also the fastest avatar generation, and you can upload an image from your computer, or you can use your built-in webcam to take a picture live, but I recommend uploading a high quality image if you have one. The AI will then scan and check the image before you get to the voice options, because you want your AI avatar to mimic your exact accent and way of speaking. You can record your voice clone in any language, and if you have a good quality microphone, now is the time to use it. You can connect it using this option right here and get started, where you'll see that you need to read this short script off the screen. So I'll hit start recording, I'll get a 3-second countdown, and now I just need to read this script off the screen as naturally as I can. Make sure you pay attention to the pauses in the script as well. And when you're done with your read, you can submit the recording, and now you also need to record your consent, because you only want you to be able to make a clone of yourself and not anybody else. Once again, just hit record, read this very short script off the camera and hit submit. And on this final page, you just need to fill out a few more details for biometric consent, and my Express 2 avatar is now processing. Once it's ready, you'll see your clone sitting in the avatars menu, and you can now use it to make a video. I'll just hover my mouse over my avatar right here, and now I have the option to create a custom outfit, and all I need to do is describe whatever I want to see myself wear. And it can literally be anything from an athlete to a mechanic to an astronaut. I just need to type that into the box, and I also have the option to add some branding by hitting this option here. So you can see that I've already uploaded some company logos which I can add to my prompt, then hit generate, and it will create my new clothes in a few minutes, and I can create a video starring this exact host. So that's now opened up the Synthesia editor, where you can see my AI avatar sitting on the canvas, and first I want to add a custom location to match my new outfit. So I'll just select my avatar right there on the canvas, open up the spaces menu and hit create space, where you just need to describe a location in the exact same way as you described an outfit. You can also add some branding from that top menu, hit generate, and just add that new backdrop to the scene. Now, to make your avatar talk is really simple. You just need to type or paste a script into this box at the bottom of the screen, or I can even upload an audio file that I want my avatar to lip sync to. Today, I'm just going to paste a script, and I can preview what it sounds like right away by pressing play right here. Somewhere in this jungle is the hidden treasure I've been searching for. So you can hear that my voice clone sounds really good, and my AI avatar will lip sync and gesture along with the voice clone once we export the final version. But right now we've just created a talking head video where the avatar will stand still and gesture, but you can also make your AI host perform any action. To create any B-roll clip featuring your avatar, all you need to do is select it on the canvas once again and open up that same pop-up menu where you'll see the Create Media tab. And once again, I now just need to describe whatever I want to see my avatar do. And whatever you type in is also going to include my custom avatar and scene, as you can see at the bottom of the box here. So I just need to be as detailed as I can with my description. Hit generate, and in just a few minutes it's going to create my clip. And as standard, it's dropped that onto the current scene. But if that's not where you want to see your clip, you can just select it, delete it from that scene, and I can add a new one by going to the top left, choosing a new template from the menu. And I just want my B-roll clip to take up the entire screen. So I'm going to select a blank scene, go to the media tab at the top, select my clip, and now I'll just resize it to fit the whole frame like this. And if I want my voice clone to speak over the top of the clip, I can just add a script at the bottom just like before. So once I've built out the entire Express 2 avatar video with my B-roll, it could end up looking something like this. Somewhere in this jungle is the hidden treasure I've been searching for. An incredibly powerful tool they call Synthesia. At this point, you can still change your AI avatar to any other host by selecting it on the canvas, open up the avatars menu and go one step back, and you'll see hundreds of other avatars available in the library. You have lots of stock avatars and any other AI clones that you've made of yourself. But one of the coolest things about using Synthesia to create AI avatar videos is that you can make your AI clone speak over 140 different languages. Hit generate in the top right and then generate again, and it could now take a little while to export the final video if it's quite long, but once it's ready, you'll see that you can preview the video on the screen right here, and then you can go to the top and hit translate. And Synthesia isn't just going to put some random AI voice over the top of your video. Your avatar is actually going to lip sync in your own voice in these new languages. So if I just go ahead and type in a few options right here, you can see that I can select them from the menu. Then if I only want my avatar script to be translated and not the on-screen text, I can select this option here. And I can also choose to automatically export all of the videos at the same time without needing to return to the editor. So I'm definitely going to do that. I'll hit generate, and then in a few minutes you'll find all of your translations. It could be up to 10, 20, 30, and they'll all appear in your dashboard. And now I can export the videos as an MP4 file, or I can share them with my team by creating a link. And if you want to learn how to turn any file or script into an engaging AI avatar video starring your clone, you should watch the video on screen right now.